We've got our hands on the Honor Magic V3, so let's take a look at what you get in the box.
Popping open the box, you're met with the phone itself, a power brick, a USB-C cable and a protective case. To be honest, that's more than you'll find in most phone boxes these days, so kudos for Honor for giving us more than just the device and a cable. The phone itself is much changed from the Honor Magic V2. The first big difference is the dome-shaped octagonal camera module, which Honor says pays homage to classic architecture. The colours are different too. We've got the green model here, but the V3 is also available in black and reddish brown. Somehow, Honor's latest foldable is even thinner than the V2, which was previously the world's thinnest book-style foldable. At 9.2mm, this will almost certainly remain the thinnest foldable phone for the next year, unless OnePlus pulls a rabbit out of the hat with the OnePlus Open 2. As for the other upgrades, the Magic V3 boasts a huge 5150 mAh battery, which should, in theory, bring longer battery life than the Magic V2. And on the camera front, the Magic V2's 50 megapixel main camera returns, but it's joined instead by a 40 megapixel ultra-wide and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera. The Magic V3 also gets a whole host of software improvements over the V2, including new AI features and the Studio Harcourt portrait system that debuted on the Honor 200 Pro. These enhancements are powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is the same chipset you'll find in high-end Android phones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For a full look at the Honor Magic V3, check out our full review on TechRadar.com.